as winter approaches, we often get asked by our tenants about how to deal with damp and condensation in properties. It's really natural. Everything you do in a property, from cooking to washing, produces condensation and steam. So best way to deal with damp and condensation is to just open your windows back and front of the property if possible. Open them wide for about 5 to 10 minutes and then close them again, because that just gets rid of any moisture, gets rid of any stale smells, and just keeps that condensation and mould at bay.